Burj Azizi, it is also another miracle of Dubai that it's now becoming the second tallest building in the whole world, and that is quite amazing actually. And I also want to thank again Mr. Azizi for giving us the opportunity to see this structure itself.
We have program for this to inviting the student from different country of the world to at least something learn here and make better in his country or other country of the world.